Hi, I'm Matt Fisher, product director for the Jay Flight travel trailer. I'm standing in front of a brand new 2024 Jay Flight Bungalow. So this is a destination trailer meant to be parked. You can see how big and beautiful this thing is. It's a 102-inch wide body construction. So it's designed to give our campers more living space, more living area. And we'll take a look at how the inside living area here in just a few minutes. But I want to highlight some features on the outside. First, the front wall. You can see it has like an atrium style front wall. This is a smooth fiberglass on the front. Your LP tanks. Moving around to the side, this particular floor plan is what we call our 40 DLFT, double loft. So it has some extra height. This is the 40 double loft. It's like 8 feet 10 inches on the inside. Okay, so it's a pretty tall camper just because of that loft area. Here is your entry door into the bedroom. Like I said, we'll take a look at that once we get inside. Here is your main campsite area, and you can see the awning stretches from the front all the way to this slide out, creates a nice big shaded area. We've also worked really hard to kind of keep this area nice and clean. With this style of camper, a lot of our customers are building decks or some kind of rooms out here sometimes with these. So we try to keep this area really clean. You have an outlet here, electrical outlet, your stairs going in with this nice grab handle. Here you see double glass sliding doors. So it's very residential style for a travel trailer. Most travel trailers we saw have this standard entry door. With our bungalows, very residential, so you get a residential glass sliding door, all dark tinted windows. You can see kind of how big the windows are. Something new for this year, we've tried to maximize some window area looking out, give you a nice big, nice view from outside. So let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. So now we're on the inside of the 40 DLFT bungalow. Just to touch on some more features inside, if you take a look, just kind of really how big this thing is. Like I said, on the outside, it's a wide body construction, extra height to give you more camping space, more living area. This has standard table and chairs, dinette, some decorative light features. Your window shades are MCD roller shades, so these are very nice. Privacy shades. You have theater seats. Along the back of the camper, you see a nice big window. This is a trifold sofa. You get the ottoman. Again, this is almost like fifth wheel floor plans, just no fifth wheel. It's a travel trailer. Over here, your entertainment center. You can see the fireplace. We have maximized the size of that fireplace, maximized the size of the televisions, very big TVs. This is our new farmhouse decor for this year. So new cabinet doors that you see. This has solid surface countertops. That's an option. I should have mentioned this on the outside too. You saw metal siding on the outside. You can also get these bungalows with fiberglass to have the smooth fiberglass sides as well. So we have a pull-out faucet, very residential style appliances. Again, think about your fifth wheel features just in a big travel trailer. So solid surface countertops here, oversized microwave. This is a new stove oven, has a flip up top. This is nice, you can use for extra countertop. This is a new 12-volt reefer that we have here for 24, all black appliances. Nice little coffee bar, not a bear, a coffee bar hutch area. So very cool there. Let's move on down. That was the rear of the camper. Moving on towards the front, right when you walk in, you see your nice oversized bathroom. That also contains the washer dryer prep area. These are prep for washer dryers. Oh, right in here, you have a loft. You have stairs going up, and then we call this our double loft. So once you go up the stairs, there's kind of a loft area on the left side and on the right side. Tons of sleeping space. There are steps down. Okay, so I step down into the bedroom. That step down creates our extra height that we need. Helps with that extra height in that loft area. This is your master bedroom. This has the nice king size bed. There is storage underneath, storage above the bed. You have reading lights, double glass mirrored, double mirrored wardrobe area, and then tons of cabinet doors, drawers. Just a beautiful area of extra storage up here in the bedroom. So again, this is a brand new 2024 40 DLFT bungalow. If you have any questions, please visit our website or contact your local Jayco dealer. Thanks for watching.